Stockholm Boat Tour begins now, sailing through the waterways.
Stockholm, the vibrant capital of Sweden, is uniquely built on 14 islands, connected by more than 50 bridges.
Sweden has a population of just over 10 million, yet it's known worldwide for innovation, design, and music.
Life here is shaped by a strong social welfare system, giving Sweden its reputation for balance and equality.
The official currency of Sweden is the Swedish krona.
Millions of tourists visit every year to see Sweden's beauty, the northern lights, endless groups of islands, and modern cities filled with history.
And of course, one tradition not to miss is the famous Fika. Fika is a cherished Swedish tradition. More than just a coffee break. It's about pausing to connect with friends and family, sharing coffee and a sweet treat, and enjoying good company. It's a simple, profound part of Swedish life.
As our boat glides through the canals, we get the best of it all: nature, history, and that unmistakable Swedish charm.